Hi, sunshines. I know I haven't made vlogs or videos in like forever, but I figured I'd pick up the camera. And the reason being is because, and don't mind my face, I'm washing my face right now. My husband is like on his way home, and I try to look presentable for him when he gets home. Like my hair is done, my face washed, my teeth brushed, and all of that, just so you know he doesn't come home to a very funny looking wife. So that's why. And I put the Purity. I put it on my face and I let it sit for a little bit before I, wash it off with my my Clarisonic. I need to change the brush head, but I put it on there and I let it sit for a little bit before I wash it off. And so I'm gonna do that. And my husband took the mirrors off the doors because well, my belly is getting too big for me to squeeze through that little opening, so he took the whole door off the closet so I can get in there. So yeah, and one of the many reasons why I'm gonna explain to you guys why I was gone for so long, but right now I'm gonna go make my bed so that my bed is made when my husband gets home. So I'm gonna do that, get the dishes out of here that I ate lunch and breakfast over there, get it out and straighten up the floors and make sure my living room and stuff is all taken care of before he gets home. So I'm gonna go do that, and then I'll come back and explain to you guys why I was gone for so long. It wasn't just the fact that I was sick, but I'll explain when I get back. So I'll be right back. I get so out of breath. So my bed is made, and now I'm gonna go wash this off my face, brush my teeth, and put on just a little bit of makeup. So giggling. So I'm back. I look decent.
Not me.
No, I mean decent. So one of the things that my husband loves is for his daughter to look presentable as well. So right now she does not look presentable. She looks like a wild child. So her hair right now is in a ponytail, and she got water in her hair, so because I flat ironed her hair the other night, so that is manageable for her to do it, right? She's able to do her own hair. And so yeah, we're gonna do her hair. So here, hold the video. Move your hand out the way. So we're just gonna put we're just gonna make this real fast. Turn the camera this way. No, straight on. And angle down.
Right here?
Yeah, there you go. So we're just gonna moisturize her hair. You can push it out some more so it's not all the way in your face. Like that.
Like that?
Yeah, but your hand.
Like that?
Yes, there you go. So we're just gonna put some moisturizer in her hair, and we're using this guy. My favorite thing for her hair these days.
So we're just gonna put some on her edges, and we're gonna brush out her hair. So we're gonna brush from the ends of her hair and work our way into her hair to get rid of all the knots that might be in there. And we're just gonna put it into a little ponytail. We're not doing anything special. Once we brush that out.
Daddy's here.
Daddy's here?
Yeah.
Yep. Daddy's home. Once we do that, we're gonna brush the ends. I should have been a little bit more faster, but so that he didn't have to come home and but just gonna smooth out the edges. And then we're gonna catch it like right in the middle of her head. It's like right there. There you go. So, I'm gonna turn you guys so you guys can see. Yes!
Well, she's gone, so you guys can see the finished product. What do you want? Say hi to the sunshines.
Hi.
Say hi, sunshines.
Hi.
Hi. So,
Can I get a popsicle?
you just had a popsicle, buddy.
No.
You just did.
I want a popsicle.
No, you only have one per day. We shouldn't be eating all that sugar anyways. So I'm going to go.
We didn't even open the goldfish. Can we get goldfish?
So like I was saying, the reason why I was
Can we
gone
get
for so long.
goldfish?
Goldfish? In a little bit. I'll give you guys a snack in a little. The reason why I was gone for so long is because on one of my videos I got this really nasty hate comment about the fact that I am involved in an interracial marriage, and it was quite disgusting, and it was kind of discouraging, to say the least. And I was contemplating whether or not. Hi, handsome. How are you?
Tired.
How was
I
work?
want to see.
Okay.
What do you want to see? So I'm gonna get out the bathroom so that
Oh, sorry. How's your
so that Daddy
shaved
can
nipple?
let's get out of the bathroom so Daddy can
How's your
use it.
shaved nipple?
So
Go help your brother, please.
you can use it.
Okay, I'm coming.
So yeah. So basically, what it was is that it was a really nasty comment. I need to get my moisturizer for my face because, as you guys can see right here, I have dry patches right here. But my skin is really doing well with that purity thing. It's been clearing up. But
I was sitting on the left.
okay, all right. So basically, it was kind of discouraging, to say the least, to have that kind of negativity directed towards me, my children,
Machine.
my
Needs to
husband.
run.
Don't do that.
Here.
It was kind of
Thank
discouraging.
you for the tea.
So
Thank you for
Are you on
the
live
show.
no,
Huh?
no.
Put this in there.
Yeah, it was kind of discouraging.
What?
Tell you about the guy that said that I was a sellout to the black
yeah.
community, and that
No, this is
I was a
good.
slave to the. Now I'm a slave to the black man, and I'm gonna die with the white man's hoo-ha in my mouth. And yeah, it was discouraging. So I was like, do I really want to put my family out there? But then I was like, do I really want to
And then
not
wherever
do
the
something
laundry's
that I
at,
enjoy doing?
Okay? Alright, thank you, babe.
So yeah, that was that. So then I was like, I kind of had to evaluate myself, and I was watching House of Meese earlier today, and
Not leaving. No.
go outside, because you're doing way too much, and I'm hot.
Hot, you know nothing.
I know nothing about hot, but
Nothing about hot.
I'm just saying, Giovanni, do not hit anyone. I had to run from Jaxson because he's irritating me. But basically,
Give this to her.
I decided that I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna, start vlogging again, and I actually enjoy doing it. So I'm not gonna let one miserable person stop me, from doing it. So yeah, I was watching House of Meese, and she was saying, her very first comment was something like that, and I was like, oh, okay. So it's not just me, So I'm not gonna let somebody else's opinion about who I chose to marry dictate my life. You know what I mean? So what are you guys doing? My daughter knows how to do laundry. She's 7. She's 7, by the way. So she knows how to work that machine. And it's not that I'm taking advantage of it or anything. It's just that being pregnant, it's good to have kids that know how to do certain things. It kind of takes it kind of takes some of the loads off of you. Grant you, I have to supervise her because she might use too much soap or anything like that. I gotta check what she's doing. And this guy know how to put away toys, so we got a win-win situation. So yeah. So I'm gonna go start my dinner. So my husband decided he's gonna have leftover for dinner, so I don't have to cook. So I think I'm gonna have I'm gonna make the kids breakfast for dinner. Put that there. What are you eating?
Chicken.
So basic, chicken. and leftover rice and peas. So that's what he's having for dinner. Thank you, Jesus. I get a day off. No, this is my second day off from cooking, right, honey? Because he brought home chicken yesterday for lunch, which turned into dinner. So we had lots of leftovers because for some reason I can't eat as much as I used to, which is odd. I wish I could, but I can't. And kids are doing their chores. And what are we getting ready to do next, honey? We might watch a movie or go for a walk. But that's about it for today. So it's been a short day because I just decided I'm going to vlog. So it's not going to be much in this vlog for you guys to watch. But yeah, this is what our evening routine is like. Basically, my husband calls and says he's on his way home. I get up, put my face on, look presentable, get the kids presentable, and figure out dinner. And that's about it. Yeah. And the kids do their chores. The kids do their chores, and yeah. So anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. And oh, I need to say a special hello to all of my new sunshines. I see you guys. And I felt bad because I was like, people are subscribing and I'm not making no videos. So I'm like, oh my gosh, they're gonna leave me now. But yeah, thank you guys so much for not leaving me. But I'm back. I'm not sick anymore. Hyperemesis been gone. Thank you, Jesus. I feel sorry for, because I've been watching YouTube and I see all these women that are now getting pregnant and they're like, you know, they're sick, and I'm like, feel sorry for you, honey, because I know what that entails. So, oh, so sorry, honey, so sorry. I'm so sorry for all the females out there that are going through holy morning sickness, because that's what I call it. It's holy morning. It's like morning sickness on steroids. It's bad. So yeah, but at the end of the journey, you get a precious, beautiful baby, so it's all worth it. Anyways, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.